Hi, today I'll be doing an in-depth review of read.ai, a platform that's gaining some serious attention in the AI productivity space. If you're someone who spends countless hours in meetings trying to stay on track, take notes, or analyze performance, this one's for you. In this video, we'll go over what read.ai is, its key features, pricing, the pros and cons, and wrap up with a honest take on whether this tool is worth it. So, what exactly is read.ai and what does it do? read.ai is an AI-powered meeting assistant designed to transform the way we handle virtual meetings. It's not just another note-taking tool, it's an intelligent system that works seamlessly across platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and more. At its core, read.ai offers real-time meeting analytics and summaries, saving you from scrambling for notes or losing track of action items. Imagine having a virtual co-pilot in every meeting that automatically tracks who's talking, how engaged people are, and even flags moments where the energy drops. It's built for team leaders, managers, project coordinators, and anyone looking to optimize their meeting workflow. One thing that stands out is that it uses advanced AI to analyze meetings, not just capture what is said. This means read.ai focuses on the quality of meetings, helping you reduce wasted time, drive better collaboration, and improve overall productivity. If you've been looking for a smarter way to tackle virtual meetings, read.ai might be just what you need. Now, let us talk about the main features of read.ai. Here are the features that make it a standout platform. Meeting summaries and notes. read.ai automatically generates clear, concise meeting summaries with action items. Instead of rewatching recordings, you can quickly review what's important and share those takeaways with your team. Real-time meeting analytics. This is where read.ai shines. It measures engagement, speaker talk time, and overall meeting sentiment. For example, it can tell you who's dominating the conversation or when people's attention starts to drop off. Cross-platform compatibility. Whether you're using Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams, read.ai integrates seamlessly. This is huge for teams working across different platforms. No compatibility headaches here. Speaker insights. You get data on how much each participant speaks during a meeting, ensuring everyone gets a fair share of voice. This is a game changer for leaders who want more inclusive and balanced discussions. Performance metrics and meeting scores. read.ai can assign a meeting score based on engagement and participation. This allows you to see how effective your meetings are and identify areas for improvement. Automatic transcriptions. No more worrying about missing key points. You get accurate transcriptions of every meeting which are searchable and shareable. Easy collaboration. After the meeting, you can share summaries, notes, and analytics with team members or stakeholders, keeping everyone aligned without unnecessary follow-ups. These features make read.ai much more than just a transcription tool. It's an all-in-one meeting performance optimizer. Now let us talk about the pricing. There's a free plan, which is priced at $0. Always free, no credit card required. It's great for individuals or small teams looking to explore the basic meeting transcription and analytics tool. There's a Pro plan at $15. For those needing more robust features, the Pro plan provides deeper insights, enhanced analytics, and meeting summaries for a monthly subscription. The pricing is competitive compared to similar tools on the market. There's an Enterprise plan at $22.5 and an Enterprise Plus plan at $29.75, and this is for larger teams or organizations. It includes custom integrations, advanced reporting, and dedicated support. I'd recommend checking their website from time to time for the most up-to-date pricing details as these plans may evolve. So let us talk about the pros and cons of using read.ai. First, we talk about the pros. There is a user-friendly interface. It is easy to set up and navigate. Powerful analytics and summaries that save time and boost productivity. It works across all major meeting platforms like Zoom, Teams, and Google Meet. real-time insights into meeting engagement and speaker activity. There's a free plan available, making it accessible for individuals and small teams. How about the cons? Some advanced features may be available only in the paid plans. It might feel like information overload if you're not used to data-driven tools. It requires participants to adapt to meeting analytics, which may take some getting used to. But overall, the pros clearly outweigh the cons, especially if you're a professional or a manager looking to improve your meeting efficiency. So, is Read AI worth it in 2024? In my opinion, it's a resounding yes. Read AI solves one of the biggest challenges in virtual meetings today: efficiency. It doesn't just help you save time, it enhances the quality of your meetings through actionable insights. What really makes it stand out is how it blends analytics and AI-driven insights with ease of use. You don't need to be tech savvy to get started. It integrates seamlessly with platforms you're already using like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. However, keep in mind that this is not a magic bullet. To get the most out of it, your team needs to be open to using meeting analytics and acting on the insights provided. In short, Read AI is a must-try tool for anyone looking to save time, improve collaboration, and hold better meetings overall. So whether you're running a small team or working in a large organization, it's a step toward making meetings less of a chore and more of a strategic advantage. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore otter.ai, fireflies.ai, or grain.co. That's a wrap on today's review of Read AI. I hope this video gave you valuable insights into Read AI and helped you decide if it's the right platform for your needs. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.